Yo guys, what's going on? Monday at 6 here, back to 2004 Ford Sport Trac. And today we're bringing you this retractable awning brought to you by ARB. We have the ARB rollout canopy here. I have it temporarily attached to my Serco Safari roof rack. I'm going to end up through bolting it to mount it. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to get that going. Here we are on the back of the ARB awning. You can see right here, this is where your hardware will slide in. I'm using a quarter piece of hardware. It doesn't seem to fit. It almost does. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get an angle grinder and I'm going to cut two sides of these hex off here so I can slide it in this channel. So I'll be using this quarter 20 hardware with a washer and a nylon nut. We're going to go ahead. We'll just slide all the hardware in here and I'm going to show you exactly where we're going to mount this thing on the Serco Safari roof rack. So here we are at the roof rack. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts there. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts there on the roof rack. Here's the hardware you will need to install the ARB awning. In order for me to know where to drill the holes in the roof rack, this is the spacing we're going to need right here for the hardware. So I went ahead and just cut this piece of cardboard here. It's the exact size of this. And I'm going to go to the roof rack real quick. I'm going to get the dimensions this way. See how long we need this cardboard cut. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and mark this cardboard right here. Go ahead and we'll just cut this piece of cardboard off. Got it marked, I'll go ahead and just cut that piece of cardboard off. Got the cardboard marked here. I'm going to go ahead and just make a dot here, here. Oh, sign this back up here and here. See my 4 dots. Went ahead and got my 4 dots on my cardboard template there. I'm going to go ahead and bring each of these dots in here at the 1-inch mark. So I'll go ahead and I'll mark everything at this 1 inch here. Went ahead and brought in the dots there at 1 inch. So this will be my cardboard drill template. Alright, got my template here. You'll see exactly where I'm going to be drilling the holes. All you got to do is center this here and we should be good. Went ahead and got the cardboard template placed up here with a piece of tape. I'm going to go ahead, take my center punch, put it right here, and go ahead, just mark my holes. My 4 holes marked here. Let's do the same to the other part of the roof rack. Mark the front ones here. Let's go ahead, just do the same thing. Alright, got them marked. We got our drill and our drill bit. We're going to go ahead and we're going to start drilling out the 4 holes here and 4 holes there. Got my 4 holes drilled here and my 4 holes drilled here. Alright, got my Dremel ready, getting ready to modify the hex head part of this bolt. You can see I have it marked red there, exactly where I'm going to cut off so it can slide into that square part of the channel for the awning. So just be extremely careful. Use your PPE on here, face shield, gloves, everything while you're using the Dremel. Alright, see what it looks like after we're done. We got it all Dremeled down. Let's go ahead and go see if it fits in the awning. Alright, here we are at the channel. Let's go ahead and see if this fits. Alright, slides in there perfect. This will stop it from spinning when we go to tighten it up. Okay, let's just repeat that process for the next 7 of them. Went ahead and got the 4 pieces of hardware here in the mounting rail. And I got the other 4 right here. Gonna go ahead and we're getting ready to mount this thing up. We got some hardware started right here. Gonna go ahead and we'll get the hardware started for the back part. So this is what it looks like here on the back side. You can see the 4 bolts. We'll need 4 washers and 4 nuts. And we'll do the same thing for back there. We got the ARB awning all bolted up to the Serco Safari roof rack. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna deploy it now. We're gonna have to unzip the canopy out of here. Let's go ahead and get this unzipped. All right. Next, we'll go ahead. Strap it. Alright, gonna need both hands for this. Hold on a second. Right, pretty much you'll just unravel this canopy all the way. You'll have these two legs that deploy out, so we'll go ahead, we'll just pull both of these little legs out to go on the ground. Kind of difficult to do with one hand and a camera, so essentially this is how it goes. Inside the main body part, there's these two legs right here that run on each side, right here. So there's one that runs here, folds up into this. There's another one folds up on top. This comes out. As you can see, once you get this all the way extended, we have these two legs here that you go ahead and just extend, lock into place. Same with this one. This one comes out, just goes all the way down, locks into place. And then right here, you got all your Velcro straps. And just put your Velcro straps on. That'll hold the canopy down. All right. That's essentially how you deploy the ARB awning. If you guys are looking at buying an ARB awning, there will be a link down in the description. Once again, appreciate y'all for watching. Monday to 6. Out.